Buy COOAU D68 dual dashcam at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest videos. COOAU D68 dual dashcam integrates two camera lens into one body. Both the front and cabin lens capture at full HD 1080p 30 fps resolution. The best choice for Uber, taxis, families, rideshare, Lyft drivers, commuters and people who want to capture the situation in cabin. The clarity of the OLED screen is much higher than that of the ordinary LCD or IPS screen, thus bringing excellent visual experience and more details. More intuitive and convenient operation while driving. No more troublesome buttons and complicated operations. COOAU D68 dashcam comes with built-in GPS module which can record the vehicle's driving speed and provides precise location and routes identification on the map. Those information can be viewed on our dedicated GPS player. Perfect witness for any dispute. With Wi-Fi connected, you are able to control the dashcam on the app, COOAU, which is available both in Google Play and App Store. The D68 car camera adopts all the high components to realize super night vision at night or in low-light environment. Car plates, road signs and people can all be clearly recorded. The most important factor that determines the clarity of the clips is the CPU. This car DVR adopts Novatek chip, one of the most expensive chip series in the market. It brings faster image processing speed and is also responsible for correcting and beautifying the image, making the image clearer. The most important factor that determines the clarity of the clips is the CPU. This car DVR adopts Novatek chip, one of the most expensive chip series in the market. It brings faster image processing speed and is also responsible for correcting and beautifying the image, making the image clearer. It contributes a lot to the night vision. A sudden change in frontal light exposure levels can result in excessively bright or dark recordings. WDR will take the most balanced parts of the overexposed and underexposed images and create a combined natural image. f1.8 aperture allows more light entering the lens at night, bringing brighter images. Parking mode monitors your car round the clock when you are away for a vacation or leaving your car for quite some time, providing evidence for disputes, insurance claims and so on. The G sensor with auto collision detection will detect impacts and lock important video segments and prevent your video file from being overwritten. The G sensor sensitivity is adjustable with 4 settings: low, medium, high and off. No matter when and where you are, the dashcam works like a robot, providing constant seamless loop recording. No more worrying about missing any important moments. Card will never get full with loop recording. This dashcam supports time-lapse recording which can turn longer events into shorter, faster but shareable clips. In the meanwhile, limited space storages more videos. Get more fun from time-lapse recording. The car camera has a front lens which offers 170-degree angle that captures everything on the road ahead, while the interior camera which offers 150-degree angle records what is happening inside the vehicle, helping with insurance claims. Supports up to 128 GB, 10 class or above. Enough for about 21 hours of dual recording at 1080p at 30 fps and useful to track back older files. Save your hassle of frequently formatting SD card and give you long duration of video recordings. Built to withstand extreme climates, the camera can operate smoothly in temperatures as high as 70 degrees centigrade or 158 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as -20 degrees centigrade or -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Package list includes COOAU D68 dashcam, USB cable, car charger, adhesive mount, electrostatic sticker, user manual.